Welcome back to ReviewMobile, your go-to channel for honest and detailed tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Infinix S7 Pro, a device that promises premium features at an affordable price. Let's see if it truly lives up to the hype. Design and display. The Infinix S7 Pro sports a sleek and modern design, with a slim profile and glossy finish that feels premium in hand. It features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, delivering vibrant colors and decent brightness for outdoor use. The minimal bezels and punch-hole front camera give it a more immersive viewing experience. Performance and software. Under the hood, the S7 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, decent gaming performance, and quick app launches. Running on XOS 7 based on Android 10, the user experience is clean, with useful custom features like Smart Panel and Game Mode enhancing day-to-day usability. Camera capabilities. The device features a versatile triple camera setup, led by a 48 megapixels main sensor, accompanied by a 2 megapixels depth sensor and a low-light sensor. Photos are sharp and detailed in good lighting, with AI enhancements that add vibrancy without going overboard. The 16 megapixels front camera also captures crisp selfies, making it a solid choice for content creators and selfie lovers. Battery life. Equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, the Infinix S7 Pro easily powers through a full day of heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, you can rely on its stamina. It also supports 18W fast charging, ensuring you spend less time tethered to a wall outlet. Final verdict. The Infinix S7 Pro stands out as a strong contender in the budget smartphone market, offering stylish design, reliable performance, and impressive camera capabilities at an accessible price point. If you're looking for a feature-packed device without breaking the bank, the S7 Pro is definitely worth considering. Outro. Thanks for tuning into ReviewMobile. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. See you in the next video. Would you like a second version that's even a bit shorter or more promotional depending on your style?